National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Solmonok to near Serena to 7 miles west of Streeter, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Seek shelter immediately. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Seneca and Solmonok around 7:50 p.m. Morris around 8:05 p.m. Shanahan and Minnook around 8:10 p.m. Coal City, Dwight and Luzon around 8:15 p.m. Gardner around 8:20 p.m. Braceville around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include South Wilmington, Kinsman, Norway, Kangley, Godley, East Brooklyn, Millington, Verona, Ransom, and Carbon Hill. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 218 and 233. Interstate 80 between mile markers 90 and 120. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.